So, hi guys, good evening. The topic that we have discussed and which we are giving to you is very relevant to the youth today. And we want you to speak about the recent Samarana controversy. We would like to know your opinions. What do you guys feel? Uh, how do you think was the government stand? I'm expecting people to speak for it and against it as well. So, yeah, over to you.
So, initiating at GD, I would like to say that, the recent, we have seen that how Samarana's show, the latent show in which Samarana and Ranveer Ahlawadi has also made a comment. It was not an appropriate comment as relevant to our tradition, related to our country and our culture. So, I really feel that it was not appropriate as per our. But
I
we
support
really
Satyam
think
in
it's
this.
really important. Like there are many, if we don't into it, it's kind of a dark comedy, right? So the context of dark comedy, it will hit those areas which are not so comfortable into the society,
I
but
agree.
it's for the sarcasm, right? And there are so many other people who are doing the same, but they got hit because they were kind of on the top position, right?
I
I
agree with
these
Varun.
two people. Like these shows are available on YouTube also, and the small kids are also watching these shows, which impact their psychology, which lead in a very negative effect.
I
Adding
also
to it, adding to it,
to add some point, like this is very objective situation as well. And if we talk about Ranveer Ahlawadi's status, so he play an influencer role, and he is an influencer. So I think their statement play a very big controversy that already created.
Yeah, Ranveer
But-
Ahlawadiya has made his image like a very spiritual person who always talk about spirituality and all religion. But his this statement is completely opposite of his personality, which shows like we have to justify which is his real personality. The personality which is shown is latent show is his real personality, or the personality which we show in his
Like Saloni, there are different types of
The real
personality.
content of dark comedy came like after the pandemic period. If you see clearly, it's got the boost from the auditive platforms,
Yeah.
like the use of abusing language or kind of a dark content. It came from that. There are so many actors who is doing the thing just when they are in the character, right? So when Ranveer went to that show, he was in that state where he had to do
Yes.
these things. He had
I
to
slightly
additionally, what was happening?
idealized as a person who is very spiritual and follow the spiritual path.
But they are different personalities.
That episode was
Yes.
But
that episode was
Saloni,
available on subscription basis, which is the most important point to be noted. It was not available for all the people watching YouTube, and
Yes.
that was not for kids, especially what you mentioned before.
And
Yeah,
it is
So
I-
additionally, we can see that government can take actions whenever they want to, and it was sort of like irresponsible action from the side of the government that they are not noticing on the agendas that like main issues, major issues
Yes.
which are prevailing in
Slightly
our country.
disagreeing with her point, I would like to say that as she has mentioned that it was a paid content. Yes, for sure it was a paid content, but for a time only. After a few duration, it was available for to the all audience present on the YouTube. And if we see that, as Varun has mentioned, that it was a dark comedy, it is a kind of comedy, but it is not what we can relate to our culture. In our India, we surely follow the diversity, but the things which are going on online, that is accessible to a larger audience also, and also that can seem to the kids also. We can see the aggression which are encouraging the kids by seeing that shows.
Okay.
But
Yeah,
exactly,
and also there are many YouTubers who uses the comedy. We can see the example of Bhuvan Bam. He never used double meaning and such kind of comedy in his shows and all.
I
We
guess
do
But,
it in
that-
body
abusive
here,
language
it's
is also a
on
kind
YouTube,
of-
that is for is it for kids or not? I do agree that they did a mistake that they didn't public it on with the concept that child cannot see it. They should have mentioned.
there are so many movies also that do the
all
same
that
things.
But the real thing is, there are so many other content available on YouTube, including the web series,
Yes.
who are doing the same thing, even showing those
Yes.
things, which are
But
really.
the-
There are many of
But
the
the-
games.
The point is when someone is playing a role model character in front of us, and when someone is playing a role of influencer in front of us, that may create a huge impact on society as well.
But I am
what I
slightly
am
disagreeing
getting from
with
you,
you.
Ahlawadiya had
Doing
seen that
video
like-
streaming in college
Yes, there are different types of personalities. Yes, there are
Like,
different types of
there are
personality a
actors who-
person can hold.
See, what I am getting, like
But
Varun is kindly
like
saying
we are
that
not
there
same
are
with our
many.
family, with in public with our family, we are different.
I think
So-
But
let
if
us
you
say-
are, but if you are a role model to a large number of people, then you have to maintain that personality, that character.
Like it is previously mentioned that it was not the show for the children. So it is a dark
But
comedy
these
show.
are-
not the one
these
that
shows are
children
not seen by
does
the
not have
children.
the accessibility.
Like we have to.
Talking about the culture and kids, the parents should have access to what the kids are watching. It is
Yes.
not the sole responsibility of the show because the background of the show was related to the dark comedy.
Yeah.
For sure, it is
And-
not the sole responsibility of the show, but having an individual who have such a huge followers of plus 10 millions, it is also their responsibility that they are representing a country. They're not representing themselves only. They are representing a
And
country.
they
They
are not
should,
anywhere
they
else.
should be voiced in what they are speaking and what they are showing to the audience.
And
That is
not
the
anywhere
Like,
else.
there are so
Like,
many
we compare
contents on
a movie
OTT.
called Udta Punjab.
But-
Shahid Kapoor has a following
Yes.
of more
But
than
here the
like
situation is different,
in
but-
crores, but still he did that role just because it was a need of that situation that shows that movie.
when that
But-
movie
And
was
there
launched,
are
it
so
was
many movies and shows that shows these kind of illegal things and illegal talks.
as
But
you both
if
have
we-
mentioned about the
if
movie
we-
Udta Punjab. When the movie was released, there was a criteria of 18 plus only, like adult
Here
film or
is
18
also
plus.
18 plus
That is
criteria.
the 18
But
plus
if we are
criteria when
wanting-
it is there. Then if any child below 18 cannot go to the cinema hall and can watch the
Like there
movie.
is an option
But-
that YouTube can also remove that content.
Yeah,
there
that
is
is
a
the
content.
and YouTube.
Remove that.
See,
But
it is
there is
If
also
they
but
don't
people-
want to make it controversial, they can remove
Guys,
it.
I'd like to focus you on the role of government in this.
Yes,
About that.
Yeah.
like
And
recently, Ranveer Allahabadi is also awarded as a Best Influencer Award, and
By Narendra Modi.
and if we're talking about the Supreme Court judgment, Supreme Court highly abolished this statement, and he's highly against.
And
this
even
So
the
statement.
what-
lawyer who was defending the Ranveer Ahalabadia, Supreme Court has asked that why you are why you are in the favor of it. Is it giving an appropriate comment related to the parents? And he was not
What-
able to give
what-
he was not able to justify the comment of the.
Yeah,
parents.
I think-
Let's focus
like,
on the main.
yes, what I think
what the
that-
government is doing. Just as you said, Ranveer Allahabadi is a famous YouTuber influencer. There, even Samir Raina is same. Okay, let me remind you of Bhojpuri industry. There are so many songs airing covering these terms. They
But
are
they
shown
are
in
not
the.
getting
See,
recognition.
Varun, what
they,
See,
they are
but
not
they are not
getting
getting-
any. Yeah,
But
yeah.
they are not getting recognition as much as Ranveer
The
Allahabadi.
problem is
What
that
we are
who are the
He is a-
what I want to
See, here
convey.
what is the problem that who
Huge role models of the countries as well, if we're including politics.
Sure, Avantika,
also
what
if you talk
I
about
want
the
to
Bhojpuri industry, it
So
is
what's
limited
my-
to states, not the or the
It is
entire
not
country.
limited to a state.
It's
It
global
is.
platform.
If
it
I
is a
talk
global
to you in
platform.
Bhojpuri,
It
you
is
will
also
be able
mentioned
to
in
understand. But
No,
the
but
people
like
what
I
I
don't
think-
understand
what
that
we,
language,
focusing
right?
on the main
Yes.
point, like
What-
this show is related to dark comedy
And-
that they will do
The content
And
is of
also,
that kind.
if at
talking
any-
about Bhojpuri industry, I think it's a choice of interest. But if you're talking about Samay Raina controversy, it's like, for example, it is a situation. It is a generation of Gen Zs.
And
So
also
Gen
if it
Zs
is-
highly influenced by the influencers. So I
And
think
also if
really
it is
good.
appropriate
What
for
the
any
government
me.
or the
See,
show.
what my opinion, government is just making it controversial because they are not focusing on the main points like KIIT incident, what has happening to recently.
Yeah, but I-
They are just
See,
making it
government-
controversial.
One by one, if everyone can present.
Yes.
And conclude.
Okay.
Yeah.
So starting from my point of view, I would like government. Why, if you are saying that, why government focusing on this? See, every time there has to be one set of examples which came in forward. So in this scenario, that is the example which has been given by the Ranveer Allahabadi that this type of dark content should be stopped.
This
Yeah. I'm also
We'll go one by one.
this can be stopped, but YouTube also give the presence. Okay, what in my opinion, it is all about making controversial. It is none of that much issue. The main issues are lacking behind that.
in my view the Indian people is not prepared for that type of verbal issue. So that like our constitution is also prohibited this type of situation, and our IPC is also restricted that type of situation. When our society will be developed like America and any other Western country, so we can implement this and as well.
So to conclude this GD, I want to say we have discussed that firstly about the Samarana controversy. We discussed that these type of content should be highly not praisable as well, and we also discussed the government side as well. Like apart from all this controversy, government should focus on the main important things and main situations as well.
I agree with them. Like just we discussed, everyone has two sides. But with respect to the situation, the show was doing some wrong things. But if you think it clearly, why they are getting banned? Why exactly them? We will know that so many big peoples, big politicians, or we can understand, but. They pointed them just because to transform our
Distract.
focus on these things
Yes.
instead of some other things which are happening in the news.
Yes.
So before some time of this podcast or this latent show, the Ranveer Allahabadi was awarded by our Prime Minister for his content creation, and his content creation is mainly focused on spirituality and personal growth. So I think the person who is more towards spirituality and personal growth, saying such statement is not acceptable, and the statement which he had said is not a part of our culture. And government is focusing on this rather than focusing on another matters. So I think this is a responsibility of our government to protect our culture, because our culture is very rich and our country is known for our rich culture. So I think protecting is the responsibility of citizen and also the government.
I'm not anywhere backing for Ranveer Allahabadi's statement. That was truly inhuman and like it is not supported by Indian culture. But tourist to human, the government should not make such a big issue out of that particular statement for a show, which is for just for entertainment purpose. Talking about the recent crimes which are prevailing in our country, like the deep fake videos of the women all around our country, and the past crimes. Like recent today only, I was reading about the Arushi Talwar case, which is still a mystery unsolved. The government should focus on those things and not such issues. Like it has been existing in our country since a week. The government should have solved it, punished Ranveer Allahabadi for the statement, and then moved on. But it is still ongoing on social medias, and from time to time tweets are coming from our respected politicians. So that should not be the case. The government should focus on the main issues prevailing in our country and should handle such issues with an ease.
All right. Any feedbacks?
So you guys, everyone work on your communication. जो grammatical mistakes तुम कर रहे हो while speaking, you work on that. Individually, if I was to say some things that I observed, very good confidence. Just work on your communication, as I said, grammatical mistake, people's, try avoiding them as much as possible. Arun, for you, you are speaking very fast, but your voice is low. So आवाज थोड़ी तेज रहे और धीरे धीरे, उसमें क्लैरिटी ज़्यादा. Good participation. भाई, you didn't participate anything. तुमने तो बोला ही नहीं कुछ भी. So you need to work on your confidence. I think तुम बोलने लगते हो, सोचते हो कि यार सब बोल रहे हैं, मैं कैसे बोलूँ, कुछ गलत तो नहीं बोल रहा.
नहीं, गलत का बात नहीं रहता है. लगता है कि उनकी बातों को दबा के फिर से एंटर नहीं कर पाता हूँ.
तो करना पड़ता है भाई. That's what you need to do in corporate. अपनी तुम्हारी बात तभी सुनेंगे ना लोग यार, जब तुम बोलोगे अपने कन्विक्शन से. उसे इसने कैसे इनिशिएटिव लिया, फट से स्टार्ट कर दिया, है ना. ट्राई करा करो कि यू आर एबल टू ब्रिंग इन योर पॉइंट्स. वेरी गुड कॉन्फिडेंस अगेन. थोड़ा सा प्रेजेंटेबिलिटी आई बिलीव अगर और रहेगा तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. जैसे कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत अच्छा था, पर मैं ना मतलब मैं जैसे आप मेरा अटेंशन नहीं ले पा रहे थे, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था. So I think if you work on it, तो बहुत सही रहेगा. You guys also did very well, but I think your voices were, somewhere ऐसा लग रहा था कि दब रही है इन दोनों के बीच में. और आपने जब कंक्लूड किया ना, तो आपने इसके पॉइंट को कंटिन्यू किया. इंस्टेड आपको अपना कंक्लूजन देना था आखिरी में. तो कभी भी ऐसा रहता है, लास्ट में अगर आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है तो आप कंक्लूजन दिया करो. फॉर यू गुड, वेरी नाइस. आपने कम पार्टिसिपेट किया पर बहुत वैलिड पॉइंट्स रखे एंड आई वॉज एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड आप क्या बोल रहे हो. सो वेरी गुड. वही है, बाकी थोड़ा वर्क ऑन योर कम्युनिकेशन, थिंग्स विल गेट अलाइन फॉर यू. सो आई थिंक गुड ओवरऑल, नाइस. एंड जिधर भी देयर इज अ स्कोप ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट उसमें काम करो. बढ़िया. Okay, so I think the corner two were good.
Satyam and
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, have a clap.
You both were also very nice, but वो तेरा थोड़ा सा उसको I think improve कर ले, क्योंकि चीज़ें समझ नहीं आ रही थी उसमें. बाकी your participation was very nice and your confidence was also very nice.
Thank you so much.
It is also good. तू participate कर रही, कुछ बोला कर कुछ. Don't shy away. कोई टेंशन नहीं, गलत बोलेगा तो कोई ऐसे.
एक्चुअली मैं लाउड वॉइस की वजह से समझ ही नहीं आता है कि मेरी वॉइस सुनाई नहीं दे रही है. ऐसा होता है.
गैप पकड़ो. वो जैसे कैसे अच्छे से गैप पकड़ रही थी ना बीच में, कि जब गैप आया उसने अपना पॉइंट रखा और उसकी बात सब सुन रहे हैं, तो वैसे आपको भी वो होल्ड लाना पड़ेगा आपको आपके कॉन्वर्सेशन. आपकी बात अभी भी बीच में ही रहेगी. क्या बोल रहे थे? अरे टेंशन नहीं लेना भाई, ऐसे
जैसे मैं
ऐसे
बोल लेता हूँ, कोई पॉइंट रख लेता हूँ, मेरे पास डाटा भी रहता है, लेकिन जो एंटर करने का पॉइंट है वो नहीं आ पाता है. उसका प्रॉब्लम.
Okay.